You spooked it!
You're gonna knock it over.
Not even you can do it.
I'll get bored.
Let somebody standing back there now. Do the cow thing. Do the cow.
I'm done with the target. Let's go shoot something.
No.
This is extra bullet. Let's go shoot something.
Jared, do you want to eat cake? Do you guys want to have cake yet? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Billy. I got my shoes on for nothing.
They went around the backyard.
Oh.
They might be coming around here in just a few minutes.